In the year 2035, humanity stands at the edge of its greatest adventure.
After decades of preparation, the Mars colonization mission is ready for launch.
3, 2, 1, ignition!
The Odyssey spacecraft tears through Earth's atmosphere, carrying 6 brave East Asian female astronauts toward the Red Planet.
For 7 long months, the Odyssey crosses 225 million kilometers of empty space.
The crew maintains their physical and mental strength, knowing the challenges that await them.
Day by day, the Red Planet grows larger in their windows.
They study every detail of their landing zone, preparing for the moment that will change history.
After 210 days of travel, Mars fills their entire sky. The orbital insertion burn begins, the most dangerous part of their journey.
Success. The Odyssey enters stable orbit around Mars.
The crew allows themselves a moment of celebration before the final challenge.
From orbit, they witness Mars in all its alien beauty, a world waiting to be explored.
The landing module separates. There's no turning back now.
Atmospheric entry begins. Friction turns the heat shield into a blazing fireball.
At 10 kilometers altitude, the supersonic parachute deploys.
Inside, the crew endures extreme G-forces as they plummet toward the surface. Retro rockets fire, kicking up massive clouds of red Martian dust.
Contact! Humanity has landed on Mars!
Commander Sarah Chen stands at the threshold of a new world.
She descends the ladder, each step carefully measured.
And then, the first human footprint on Mars.
One small step for Sarah. One giant leap for humankind. The entire crew gathers for this historic moment. 6 humans on an alien world.
Work begins immediately. Survival depends on completing the habitat before the next dust storm.
Pressurized domes inflate, creating humanity's first permanent shelter on another planet.
Solar arrays unfold to harvest the weak Martian sunlight. Inside, the habitat becomes home, a small piece of Earth on Mars. After weeks of work, the crew shares their first meal in their new home.
The biodome represents humanity's boldest experiment, growing life on a dead world.
Using Martian regolith enriched with nutrients, the first crops are planted. And there, a miracle. Green life emerging from red soil. Within months, the biodome flourishes vibrant, a garden on Mars.
The MOXIE-2 system begins its crucial work. converting carbon dioxide into breathable oxygen.
Martian air, 96% carbon dioxide, is split through electrolysis.
Oxygen, the breath of life, flows into storage tanks.
The exploration rover ventures beyond the colony, seeking answers to Mars's ancient mysteries. Every rock tells a story of water, wind, and time, spanning billions of years.
Dr. Elena Rodriguez pilots the rover deeper into uncharted territory.
No natural Mars geology should produce this reading. Something is here.
Then, the rover's sensors detect something impossible, an energy signature.
Elena approaches cautiously. Her heart pounds in her chest.
Symbols, deliberately carved. This is not natural.
She reaches out, wondering if she's about to make the greatest discovery in human history.
And from the light emerges a being.
The alien stands before an African-American woman with short curly hair. A being of living crystal and light.
Its eyes convey intelligence and curiosity.
For a long moment, human and alien simply observe one another.
The alien raises its hand, not in threat, but in greeting.
Two species, separated by evolution across light years, reaching across the void. Communication begins not with words, but with universal language Toriel, mathematics.
Pi, the golden ratio, constants that exist throughout the universe.
Together, they build a picture of Mars history. Rugain, a world that once lived.
The alien signals, and others emerge. They have been here, waiting. The entire human crew arrives to witness this miraculous meeting.
Gifts are exchanged, symbols of goodwill between civilizations.
Through touch, the alien shares knowledge, images flooding Elena's mind.
She sees Mars as it was, oceans, atmosphere, civilization spanning the planet.
Then catastrophe. The sun's fury stripped away the air and water.
The Martians adapted, transforming themselves alive in crystals we strive to see.
The aliens lead the humans to places hidden for eons.
Beneath the surface lies technology beyond human understanding.
Mars was not alone. Once, it was part of a network of living worlds.
Human and Martian scientists work side by side, unlocking secrets. In the samples, proof of ancient Martian life, cousins to Earth's own microbes.
The aliens reveal crystals that store solar energy for millennia. Casse, living batteries.
Each sample represents a piece of Mars' billion-year story. Two intelligent species,
united in the pursuit of knowledge.
The Martians shared defensive technologies that could protect the colony from killer dust storms.
Humans share their achievements: quantum computing, genetic engineering, fusion power.
Together, they create hybrid technologies neither could build alone.
Using Martian crystal catalysts, oxygen production increases tenfold.
The aliens introduce concepts that challenge human understanding. Technology controlled by consciousness itself. Every moment is recorded. This documentation will reshape human understanding of the universe.
Images that will be studied for generations. Proof that we are not alone.
Days turn to weeks. Routines form. An unlikely friendship blossoms.
The young of both species connect across the void, children seeing possibilities, not differences.
With Martian help, the colony expands beyond anyone's dreams. Ancient Martian seeds, preserved for eons, sprout alongside Earth crops. Water flows freely for the first time in millions of years across Mars' surface. A new civilization rises on Mars, not human or alien, but collaborative. A monument to unity reaches toward the stars.
When Earth receives the transmission, humanity is changed forever.
Borders and conflicts suddenly seem meaningless in the face of cosmic friendship.
Within hours, everyone on Earth knows we have met our cosmic neighbors.
The first interplanetary diplomatic conversation begins.
We extend greetings from Earth.
We receive your greetings.
Ships begin arriving from Earth. Not just scientists, but families, artists, dreamers.
The next generation grows up knowing that cooperation across species is natural. Together, they prepare to explore Mars' deepest mysteries. As the sun sets on Mars, it rises on a new era for two civilizations.
This is not the end of a mission. It is the beginning of a cosmic friendship that will echo across the stars for generations to come.